Igama lehlelo abangoni nawe awuboni kusobukele iPrince Valley Media, so ungapressa subscribe le YouTube channel bese pressa ne notification button ukuze uzobona lama episode alandzelako. Libito lami nginguPrince Valley. Le nimbukela la noma le nimbona la nimati ngalelandi bekayi victim kuPoet. Uma ungamati ukuthi ngibani wakabani la ku comment section kune interview yakhe. I think it's 1 hour nemaminishana. Ngaya kombona kusi ngibani wakabani uvelaphi wendani even in the entertainment space, but namuhla la sithethe ukukhuluma ke namakhosi Diliza. Angikwamukele ku abangoni kunjani?
Ngiyaphila njani Prince?
Wena ungumndeni la. I think this is your 4th appearance, huh? First this was the podcast, then
Yes.
2 more appearances Barberton Talent Show.
Yes, then this is the 4th one, yeah.
Namuhla uthethe uDiliza la.
No, introduce Diliza. So introduce Diliza, Diliza next.
Yeah.
And Diliza, no. Yeah,
So
safe.
ukuthi thula angisho ukuthi thule ngalendlela engifuna ukuthule ngayo, mara ngajabula ngisengeva umnyeko ka introduce athi mina ngiyashana ngendolo eblind nje, ngiyashana ngentulu umakhosi Diliza kumuntu ongamadi ngibani umakhosi Diliza, uvelaphi, wendani mhlambe nangiphiwe takho.
Umakhosi Diliza, uDiliza intaba namawa, ibhubezi elimhlophe. uDiliza umelaphi, ongumthandazi, abe ngumprofiti, abe inyanga, igedla, singabala size sifike anyway. Ngiyasebenza ngamanzi, sebenza ngamathambo, impande. Yes, makhosi Diliza nje umuntu owabizwa bese uyasabela ulalela abantu abadala nje, ngize ngisho ukuthi mina.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, sure, so konke umuntu ukuthola la i all in one.
Yes.
Yeah, fana naleli film. So khulile ungaka but siphiwo asiqali uma ungaka. And ngiyajabula nangendlela ubale ngayo uvike kuninjani. Sifunze etikolweni la asikaze safunda ngephiwo tethu. So ngifuna reintroduce again but usasemncane. Uthi mawukhula kuwe ukuthi ungacala mhlambe ukuthi bosasemncane olakhaya bo aware uthi uthunyiwe tikhona phiwo lonato leta kamoya.
Yes, ekhuleni kwami I knew ukuthi there was something special, but ukuthi ingaze ifikele la ikhona khona manje bengicabanga ukuthi ngiko nje lokuthi ngiyabona ngamaphupho, then into iyenzeka what we call deja vu.
Yeah.
Ukuthi you see something somewhere, because sometimes uyaphupha into ungakhumbuli ukuthi uke wayiphupha when it happens.
Yeah.
So yes, I knew ukuthi there was something special, but bengicabanga ukuthi phelela khona lapho ukuthi I can see indaba zabantu, I can dream of something, then it happens. But ukuthi ngagcina sekuphelele eminyangeni the healing part, no. Bengacabanga ukuthi kungaze kufike lapha, but I always knew that there was something.
Uma sibancane most emakhaya njengoba kusengemaphupho. Mawubuka isetting yakuvaka kuvame ukuthi kunebantu abazala ngibo labakhona nokuchaza amaphupho nokuthi bade ukuthi umntwana uphuphe njani. So singayicala before ukuthi uye esikoleni, because esikoleni sithathu uyahlanya nje. Ngoba shira nje into dibheke eceleni lesingakhona ukuthi ivisisa la kukhona mhlambe lebe bakhona around kuwe usakhula ukuthi mhlambe kunagogo lebe umtshela nokuthi uphupheni bangabi worried bomama kumbaze lo mntwana uyagula lokufuna ethola umjovo bakhona lebe around.
Yes, nengikhuliswe ngogwami.
Yeah.
But not being aware ukuthi gogo ubona lendo for what it is.
Yeah.
Mina nje benguba umntwana ukuthi gogo ngiyamtshela gogo ngiphutshe lokho, then gogo was aware.
Yeah.
Yena lokho ngirealize sengikhulile ukuthi kahle gogo ngilokho bekakubona. So bengithi nangiphupha ngimtshele gogo, then when time goes on gogo bese kangisukela yena athi sisuphutseni.
Okay. Yeah.
Then ngimtshele some of the things were not dreams, bekuma visions.
Yeah.
Gogo ngibona so, but because bantu abadala they have a way of protecting you somehow, angafuni ukutshela ukuthi lendo le inkulu kangakanani.
Yeah.
Yabo, because bantwana we can share nebangani, then it gets dangerous. The spiritual world is not always safe.
Yeah.
So gogo bekahlakaniphe kakhulu, she had a way yokuthi akuprotect and akubeke kule position yokuthi umntwana wena.
Yeah.
So yes, gogo bekabona and ungitshele nyalo 2020 sengimdala, like when I had the idea ukuthi now I have to go for initiation.
Yeah.
So uyangitshela ukuthi no, you remember this and that, nakwenteka sona so bekungilokho. So nyalo soyitholile indlela yakho, chube kanjalo.
Okay, ukutshela njani because ngenteka sikhuluma ngemuntu ongasekho emhlabeni. Ukutshela nyalo
No,
so
ngitshela phila. I was lucky ukuthi gogo beyasaphila mase ngithola i-revelation yami sengithola ukuthi le landi kahle kahle yini purpose yakhe la emhlabeni. So it happened ngakutshela mase story sakhona. It happened ukuthi njengoba sengikhulile nasesicala kuba netinkinga, you go consult.
Yeah.
Then I found out ukuthi no, most of the things that are happening is because now I'm ready to be initiated. And mind you, I had no idea ukuthi my spiritual gift ihamba izifike la.
Yeah.
Remember bengibona, but I'm not the kind of person ukuthi ngihamba ngitshele nabantu lengabadi ukuthi yathi wena ngiphuphe wenzeka so no.
Yeah.
I grew up as an introvert. So bengikhuluma nagogo wami nje kuphela ukuthi ngibone lo so gogo njengomuntu lomzali futhi yena beka observe, then wabona ukuthi no, this child is gifted. So ngamtshela gogo ukuthi no, because bese ngisemihle begogo walapha bathona. So gogo ngihambile ngayo consulta, then bangitshela lokhu nalokhu, bangithengisa into letsona so then gogo wami was in surprise.
Yeah.
Wathi njengoba uvakashela khaya nyana uphethe into. Ethi athi okay, sebenzise the way bakusebenzisa ngakhona and ungaphinza uhlukane nakho.
Yeah.
So yangichazela ke gogo ngendlela lejulile lokhu kusebenza lokhu kwani the reason why bengiphatha so lokho ngikhona ukuenclose ukuthi gogo yini lokhu yebengivikela ke of which kimbe kubhlungu while growing up, because I had questions ukuthi why bangani bami bayakhona kwenta so mina ngikhona. Yeah, so yangichazela ukuthi this is the reason why bengafuni kube sona so ku. But nyalo sokhulile so yayithola indlela konke labakutshela khona ukuthi uhlole enzaweni le right. Ubeka ubalalele lokhu labathi ungahlukani nakho.
Ngifetile ukuthi esikolweni asifunzi ngithiwa nangema spiritual gifts into kamoya. Ngifuna usebenzise le gama lema vision because lelo angiboni ukuthi wonke umuntu uba nawo ma vision unless asibone nezitho lezi sinawo. But sonke siyaphupha kumbe wonke umntwana uyaphupha. Wena bowuthini bowutshela ukuthi okay unalama vision nalama phupho kuphela. Ngifuna nokwazi ukuthi wathi njani kumbe net ukuthi okay bowubona ukuthi uyabona.
Njengoba ngiyachazela ngathi kuna this thing babathi deja vu. Bekuthi nakuna something leyendakalako ngikhone kuyisho ngemlomo while it's happening, then I know ukuthi I saw it somewhere, but I can't always recall ukuthi ngayiphupha or yafika as a vision onjani, but nayendeka I know ukuthi I saw it somewhere. Then the more I grow up sengicala focus like ukuthi okay, this thing I dreamt of it, or sometimes ngendeki the way it is, but there was a message portraying lendo leto wendeka. Because sometimes we get signs, but not always at a straight ukuthi umuntu utogula or njani. But being spiritually gifted ngileyo secret leyo ukuthi you listen to your instincts, then that's how you grow.
La emangweni lesilala kuona phakathi endlini khona abantu lebo babona mhlambe bafana nawo kumbe just wena boxoxelana gogo nagogo mhlambe noma bekaphiwe bowungaboni lutho wena.
Yes, I found out nyalo sengikhulile ukuthi gogo actually had a spiritual gift. She was lucky to have a third eye. And nabathi umlomo yaloya asikhulumela ukuthi kunebantu who can speak life into things. Gogo hambe kakhuluma into yendeke like yena she would say ukuthi lokhu nalokhu then it's gonna happen. So growing up mangisesemncane bengakuboni konke lokuthi this is something lekhona. I always thought this is just me and kuyendeka, but I didn't think of it ukuthi ngabe kuyendeka kulabanye njengoba ngitshela I grew up as an introvert. So whatever happened to me was happening to me bengakubuthi ukuthi kulabanye kuyendeka until sengithola yalo sengikhulile ukuthi nabo sangoma kunezinyanga. So nabangitshela ukuthi yeah, now you're ready to be initiated, ngacabanga ukuthi ngigita nene kujayiva musangwathi ngoba yini. Then this picture ukuthi ithola ukuthi umuntu akayephehlweni uyahlukubeteka, I got angry like why kufike lapho. But yeah, I only realized sengikhulile mina ukuthi kunabo sangoma into efana nayo.
Ngani bohlala kuona bohlala ezulwini?
No, mina bengihlala nagogo, like I was an introvert, bengumntwana gogo.
Ngisho ukuthi around bongathi ukuthi
No, I think Lendo, it goes to my introversy and the surrounding a family. A family need to be ngekho sangoma or anyone who was wearing my ancestral clothes. From church. No, not around. Esontweni, I knew because in the Bible they talk about prophets and everything. But since I was not kula masonto lawa lasebenza kakhulu ngemoya bo St John's laba bese bazalwane, so ebazalwane most of the time you don't get people prophesying like so into nje bengiyibona nakuma TV but in reality mina kushothi bekuvaleka because of my introversy.
Nyalo soyageza?
No.
Stop shooter lelinye ilanga ugeza. Then kuphathe njani noma usakhula usesemncane before wathi nyalo ukuthi ufuna ukuthwasa? Uyabona uhlukile kunalabantwana labanye uvile ngiyibutile kunjani. Kuphathe njani bengingagwadisi kumbe gogo nguyelo wakhona ku protector kuwe konke bokwazi uze nayo. Nethi mangingagogo ngisafe ayizange yakuhlupha esikoleni?
No. Bengingasi lokuthi the spirits are working ngami. I just had the visions. La bengasho khona ukuthi bengihlupha as a child. It was lamaphupho. Maphupho something less scary and you don't know how to interpret it nokuthi isho ukuthini. Lokuthi soyovuka ebusuku utshela gogo ngibona lokho like bengihlupha because sometimes bisengisaba nalokulala. Yeah, that's the only challenge mangisesemncane bengiyiface.
Nje kothisha ubabonele over wena?
No. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi bengisesemncane ukuthi noma ngingabona lokunye kuyavela but wena as a child you can't take it uthi this is what's happening or this happened. Bengisesemncane. Bengisesemncane.
I-advice longayinika kumake lona mntwana lebafana njengawe usesemncane lo mhlambe unema vision unema dreams but akamoya not ma dreams yele kaphupha ngomntwana. Then khuluma ne-role gogo leka idlalile ungathini because ngiyenteka sokucala ngami kube mntwana nami angase ngabona anyway nawe uyasho ukuthi awukase wabona kusenemadloti kuyagitswa. So kuwe le role gogo leka idlalile ungathini kumake mhlambe ukuba nemntwana onesiphiwo lesi?
If ngimake lo ngekho aware ukuthi kwenzakalani because labanye vele lokho emadlota entertain. I would advise ukuthi athole more information than kufuna kuyivala this gift ukuthi akase kube khona lokho family like support them, be there for them, allow the gift ukuthi ikhulele yona and futhi labanye bese banalendo ukuthi nakabona umntwana anale gift sofuna yabona nyalo ukuthi konakalani babathwasisa basesebancane. No, miyekele, let the gift isebenzele yona but when I protect them from the world mkhulise abe mntwana. Let the gift work on its own. Ungafuni ku-add, ungafuni ku-minus. Just get advices from people ukuthi how do I treat them, badla ini, badlala kuphi. Yes, but ungam-expose umntwana to lento when you have a gift umncisha the childhood.
Okay, ngiyoyibekisa ngaku-sport ngoba ngive indaba ukuthi badla ini. So especially late kolo tebelungu nokubona ukuthi umntwana mabathi ukuthi udlala umdlalo nothiphe banokumlekelela even nala kule diet ukuthi bafuna ato khona khula kahle alunele sport. So uthi wena mabathi ukuthi sekunale siphiwo lesithile ngafuna bathole yini lekufuna ngikudle yini ngifuna ngakudle into khona kunginceda ukuthi ngikhule. Uvete indzaba ukuthi bayamthwasisa isikhathi sengafika suke sengafika ukuthi vele sekufanele ngithwase net just i-awareness yokuthi lo egcineni utoba ngilokho.
Yes, sometimes kuvela ukuthi utoba ngilokho then bantu nyanga bakuthatha as a fashion bungoma so na ifuna ukuthi umntwana akagaca afake ebuhlalu kani ufast forward le process of which umntwana sengakavuthwa then asathwasile so yabuya because bayasengakhuli yena bese sohlele ekhaya because isikhathi sakhe sokuthi asebenze ngebantu asikafiki bese kuthiwa gobela umvalile. Avoid that into efana naleko. Let the gift manifest on its own. Nase kusikhathi you gonna know.
Akusiyi fashion le?
No.
Anithandi nje lo.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ukhulumela mina angeke ngibakhulumele labanye. Ngeke ngibakhulumele labanye. For me it's a calling. It's a calling. That is why ngithungise i-bum short or a mini skirt ngale ngubo le because I understand sacred by. So no, it's not a fashion, it's a calling.
Okay, nema secret okay story nabo uyakuzenza ngithanda ikuthanzi lokho. Unokubona abantu mabathwasa la endleleni ukuthi bahambe nemaduma. Even nalokho hamba ngenyawo letinye izinto nokusibantu babuke phela siyanigwara la nje nalokuthi sekufunani igoce nigcoke masekubuka akubuke kudla kuseyini mhlambe nawe lo enjoy yakho especially ngiyacabanga ma kulegend le abantu bakubuka ngalenye indlela akuphathi kahle. That's why ngithi akusiyi fashion anithandi nethi simo kuyafana nomuntu osemsebenzini ukuthi mawuthi umuntu onakagcokele uniform le 365 days ngeke akhona but awuna choice.
Yes, enjalo.
So that's why ufuna nigcokele ama office in end kahle kahle.
Yes, vele, because even now kube bengilomuntu we-fashion
Yeah.
bengitogcoka naleti because ngifuna kubonakala ukuthi naleti lekuthiwa sisebenza ngathi because mabakukhiphela ingubo or impahla thizeni isambatho
Yeah.
hlala utshelwe ukuthi lesi simele lokhu
Yeah.
lesi beseka abani bekasebenza sona so angeke ngimane ngisukeleke ngihambe ngiyogcoka edrobheni just because ngifuna attract ama-customers endumbeni ukuthi
Yeah.
babone ukuthi ngisebenza ngebani. No, yonke into
Bebangashaya faka imali mfana wamanje. Faka imali. Faka imali wale lo.
Yes.
Sifaka imali uzobona. Okay. Ukula umncane njengoba sibekusile ungekho awe ngifuna ukucala ukuthi okay inyalo sekuyadilizeka yonke into seya angifuni ukuthi iyamoshakala. Incane itori letihle lentivayo manje ukuthi umuntu usobuye kwethwasa labanye kumoshakala yonke into imoto imindeni yapidlika. So ucala ukhonile kuceda kahle isikolo wacetha isukephi ukuthi okay naku unyalo sekufunayo uqala ijeni yokuthwasa and ungasabi ukuthi wendeni ngoba ngente kubalekile.
Okay, before nje siya lapho I'd like to upload ugogo wami. Yes, ngize ngicede nje isikolo. Shothi she knew what to do. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi to wait for the right time. Ngize ngitibonile mina without gogo wami angitshela ukuthi phela wena usoso cause bese ngiyoyilandelela lento ngena kubo social media ngithi ngiyifune mina while ngakafiki. So gogo wami wabala until it came upon ukuthi sengiyathola mina.
Okay, so ukhathi uthi bosoyilandelela ku social media iyakulindela yona.
No. Angithi sebangitshelile ukuthi phela wena you have a gift.
Oh.
Sengifuna kushayina because now I have something lengachoma ngayo because
Okay,
you know most magic.
Yeah.
Yes, bese sengifuna ngcine sengithatha nezinto letingasidambi because ngibona ku social media because neba sengafiki kimi. So mina nangihamba ngiyoconsult bengayo consultela mina ngiyoconsultela bhuti wami bengase right. So nangifika lapha kunokuthi kuphume indzaba kabhuti wami kwaphuma kwami. Zange bangitshele lutho ngabhuti wami. Abathi moswena lo mnyaka lo it was 2020. Lo mnyaka lo wena uyakhula kahle edlozini. Idlozi angikhuliswanga ngalento zamadlozi ukuthi ngizo understand ukuthi yini. Okay, then la ngikhuluma khona nogogo wami. Gogo kusoso gogo ngitshela ukuthi ilandzelele the way ngakhona. Okay, sengiyaqala ngiyakhula now 2021. Senginale idea ukuthi okay I have a spiritual calling and ngaba nenhlanhla because la bengiconsulta khona kusibantu laba instiller this thing ukuthi ngoba yena lo bekangiconsult mhlambe bekagitsa bese ungitshela ukuthi akufuna ukugide uze lana wavela ngitshela ukuthi you have a calling but abantu bakho abakuphethe bazokufikela bakutshele ngoba wena already uyabona ukuthi nawufika bayabona ukuthi mina ama visions sometimes it comes as instincts. Because angiboni next emehlweni but lento ifika as a thought ukuthi this is what's happening lo muntu lo is going through this lo muntu lo is going through this. So mahlala it was 2023 sengiyabona sebayangikhomba nala kumele ngiye khona but funny enough mina I had doubts lokuthi social media again social media ngibona ukuthi bathi inyanga zamanje akusafani nakudala ukuthi umuntu uyagida until la kumele ayothwasa khona ragijima shone khona you know ukuthi uvuke idlozi and stuff. So mabangikhombisa epusheni nangama visions ukuthi this ugobela wakho lo muntu ekumele initiate bayangikhombisa but nabafika epusheni abakhombisa ukuthi bayakutshela ukuthi initiate ivela ngalendlela espiritual ekhona ukinterpretwa ngeminye one. Okay, already I knew ukuthi ngiyothatha but njani because lo muntu lo imanager yami yaku poetry. Yes, bekuyimanager yami ku poetry.
Ngiyaqoqa imanager lozini.
Yeah, ngidawuthe ngaloko ukuthi ngeke bayothina abantu. Hayi angiyi lapho. And mind you, I don't know ukuthi lo muntu lo inyanga.
Okay, yeah, ngifuna ukubuta lokho.
I didn't know ukuthi uyinyanga. Mase ngiyafunisa until ngibuyele la ngahlola khona. Mangihlola ngithola ukuthi labe bangihlola amathwasana wakhe. It's just that yena bengingamtholi. Then I was like, okay. Then I said, no what Leland, when uzothwasa wena. Azange asho ukuthi uzothwasa la or mina already lama visions angithiwa khona sabangikhombisile. Angikhona ukumtshela. Sizwa ini bayagangana bogobela nana ngithi uzobe sungifakela something ukuthi ngibuye ngizothwasa angi. But because mina ngiyayivilaphela lento le isikhathi bakithi sebangikhombile ukuthi kufuna ngiye but mina lento I'm holding it back ngimosha isikhathi. Yahlala ngahlala futhi bafike ngephupho bangikhombisa iwash. umosha isikhathi ekhaya ngizoya ngiyasebenza ngithi ekhaya I'm a breadwinner.
Yeah.
So mangitshela umama yazi mama uvele sokumele ngiyothwasa manje bangikhombisa umuntu oso athi mama mihamba mos ngithi hayi ngizoyi ithi ngicedelela ukwakha ithi ngicedelela ukwenza so every time mangihola nginalento ukuthi ngifuna ukuceda lokho bese ngiyahamba angithi ngine privilege ukuthi ngiyaziyela ngihambiswa idlozi I have to pack my bag ngihambe ngiyokhulekela until kufika leso sikhathi leso bangithatha bangikhombisa in a vision ukuthi nangifika lapha I have to do this I have to do that yayibona hayi solo ngiyadelay mind you bangikhombise lezi ngubo lezi already ngiyazithenga but angazi ukuthi ngenze njani because nginalento ukuthi hayi ngizobuza mase ngihambile sengile ngiyathenga ngiyabeka kanti kunemithetho yakhona bangikhiphela zona nje kumele ngabe sengile so that ugobela azongitshela ukuthi uzenza so ngihlakaniphila ngithi mina ngiyathenga ngibeke erumini babangikhombisa ama candles na uthandaza wena uthandaza so amalanga sebanginikeza nekhalenda like they are scheduling my life but mina I'm unaware because ngibhizi ngezinto zami but ngiyenza at the same time but mangenza ngiphinde ngimikisa nokunye kunokunye engakhona ukwenza because ngenza nje ukuthi ngiyandlulisa ngithi angijulanga. Okay, I remember it was 21 March 2023 nabathi kune national shutdown. Yeah, Ramalema and so on. Hayi ngilele the whole day ngalala the whole day ngidlala amafilimu yeah ngidlala amafilimu but nalento ukuthi I know mina mosivele ngiyabona namanye ayathusa phela yakubuka ngidlala amafilimu anginaki then ngabo past 3 iphele lento ekhabe kuphela igesi mama ngathamba uthenga igesi ngihambe uyothenga igesi ngibuye ngabo 4 ngifaka igesi ngilale futhi ngavuka ngo7 ekamereni lami shothi kumnyama lokuthi ismoke you can see most if there's light ukuthi la kune smoke but makumnyama awuboni next even ne window lami lingale lokuthi alingenisi light ebusuku ukuthi Apollo ngilele but there was something ethi vuka ngavuka ne room ngaphandle ngavuka ngaya endlini ukuthi ngivukelani I don't know but ngafika endlini ngabatshela ngathi kuyasha bangibheke bathi kusha ini babona ukuthi lo musu ubuye ebuthongweni bathi ayihamba olala ngicokile icathulo ngicokile ama pajama ngiphelele ngibashiye ngibuyele erumini mangifika erumini ngikhumula iduku ngiliphonsele erumini ngikhumula izicathulo ngizifake ngidonsa umnyango ngibuyele endlini ngithi ngiyanitshela mina ukuthi kuyasha abangibone ngathi ngiyagula. Okay, now they understood ukuthi senginokubehavior in a certain way ngizifuna ngiyi1 so they understood bacha ukuthi ayisekaphethwe lento zakho ukuthi ufuna ukuba yi1 mind you ngihlala eMihlibek angikhulelanga khona ngikhule as an introvert lapha abantu aba outgoing so I'm the different one. Now ngifika ngesigubhini segesi main switch ngiyayisaba mina ngingilelandi ngiyayisaba but that day ngayibamba ngesandla ngayehlisa immediately mangicela ukuyehlisa kwaba ne explosion ngaphandle erumini lami masiphuma kusha iframe yemnyango kuphela nothing else just the frame. Mama mathi and then ngithi ngitshelile ukuthi kuyasha but mara ngikhani kushama ngithi kudala kusha ngizwile mina ukuthi kuyasha bizwa ama firefighter bomakhelwane nabacisha it's the more kuvutha fika ama firefighter nabakhipha the hose nabenza kuvutha kakhulu kwasha isihlahla sabanana the most wet isihlahla but savutha saphela
this outside
yes from my room like the flame ye room it was too much yabamba izihlahla nesihlahla samakhelwane nebhentshisi sasha vele like saphela but mangithi mina idlozi zisebenza ngendlela kimi angizange ngithuke azange ngizubhlungu makwenzeka it's like bengi ready but I didn't know
ready for in
ukuthi something bad is happening. I didn't have any emotion bantu yabathi usibanjani bayaphuma bayabukela mina I jumped the road ngaphuma kulabantu ngaya the opposite house ngaya ngale ngayohlala ngababukela bayabukela kasha nami ngihleli so ngibukele bona babuke ekhaya kuyasha labanye bayagijima bomakhelwane bazamacisha I'm relaxed kwaze kwafika lo munye wathi hawu ngoba kusho iroom lakho kushani lapha erumini lakho ngimbheke ngithi mina ungiyeke zinenge yazi lezi zinto ezishako lapha kunama laptop there's new furniture remember bese ngilungiselela kwakha extender lapha ekhaya akuklik la kimi ukuthi kuyasha ngasho njalo I had no emotions like I'm unaware ukuthi kwenzakalani then ngihlale sekuphelile sekushile like everything is down phelile kusela ama walls unje abantu sebayaqala bayahamba kuvela amakhansela kuvela abafundisi they start praying for me sebangibizele ekhaya they start praying for me like why kwenzakalani why are they praying mama athi ngawari mntanami lokho kusebenzele kuzobuya then I collapsed nabasho bathi I collapsed then ngavuka I think it was after midnight sekufika amakhansela ne-ambulance bathi gibela mosibekuhlola for trauma ngithi ngiright bathi bekhona ubhuti owangena bekune room lakhe ngapha eceleni yabazi mosilabo khamba imali yabe ihlala ekamereni wakhahlela umnyango wangena lapha emlilweni shothi washa inyawo bathathe yena ngeambulance but nawe ngena for trauma in bantu beambulance bathi bangithatha ngithi no mina ngiright mind you it was 21 ngithi besingaye emsebenzini ngale shutdown the next morning kushe konke kusele bengigcokile everything else ngiyiluzile iphone laptop konke angisana next ngisele nethi ngalo ngigcokile the next morning mama athi sinikeze inamba yeboss yakho siyitshela ukuthi awuze emsebenzini ngathi mina ngiyemsebenzini mina bathi njani ngithi ngiyemsebenzini mama athi hayi ngithi ngiyemsebenzini mina bathi manje uyogcokani ngoba unazi impahla ngiyogcokela impahla lezo zigcokile ngahamba ngaya komunye umama esontweni le-St John's ngathi ngicela ungiboleke ifoni ngandlula bonke abomakhelwane nabangane ngaya kuloya mama loyi ngathi ngicela ungiboleke ifoni ufuna ukufonela u-anti wami eBarberton ngamfonela u-anti wami anti kushile hayi no but namkhama Xobo phela uyathanda ngidlala no kushile anti angisanalutho anginamali anginampahla anti amathi okay thola someone on a bank account ongakusiza akubole ikhadi lakhe ngikufakele imali nethi uthola impahlanyana wangifakela ngaye endlini ngathatha ilegging yakaseswami ngathatha icathulo zakhe mind useswami is a size 6 and mina I'm a 5 so icathulo lezi
ngigcoka lapho awunatshona
ngagcoka yes ngagcoka but bezizinkulu lokuthi angikhoni lokuhamba kahle ngazo mangehlele ekuseni ngemsebenzini ngazikhumula okay I skipped the part ukuthi ngagula before the fire
okay
so ngagula ngazi ukuthi ngiphethwe yini mangiye emsebenzini like ngihamba ngigobekile sifuba siyavaleka then I'm shaking kusebenza abelungu yabazi then they started diagnosing me une covid unanani mangidla ukudla ngiprefer ukudla okungana taste okune taste ngizwa ngathi ngiyasha ngigule ngijuluke mangilala ebusuku ngiyajuluka but mangiya kuma doctor babone next bagcina bathi ngine stress ne anxiety ngagula then mangiphola after a few days kwaba ilomlilo ke so mase ngibuyela emsebenzini bangibheka lokuthi nje ubuso bosize yabona bathi lelandiso yagula futhi ngithi hayi angiguli oyicathula ngithi ngidisturbekile ngikona hamba ngaso sengihamba ngezinyawo mangehla itaxi ngihamba ngezinyawo ngiyemsebenzini anginabhega anginanex ngiyimi nje nelegging netop and I'm working as a cashier
ubutho semlilweni wasona mase wama inyawo bathiya
ngihamba ngezinyawo then bangibheka shothi nabangibheka bona ngibona ngathi babona umuntu ongathathi kahle enhloko because ngihamba ngezinyawo and ngisebenza ebuchari kuyabantu mangifika lelandiso yagula futhi ngibabheke ngithi
man mabothi uyagula futhi
basho lokugula lokhu khathi bathi ngine covid bengipheli like I was sick bongibona but I'm working azange futhi ngifuna nokuhlala ekhaya then there was this thing boss yami ngibheka what's going on leland ngithi hayi kushile ekhaya kushe everything sele ngaloke ngigcokile manje boss yami athi okay emsebenzini bakhiphelana izimali if uvelelwe something mina because bengi right and I was working azange bangikhiphele next bantu vele ushelwe serious wena ushelwe serious ama customer athi namhla yaza awusi lo muntu esimjwayele ngathi umdala so mngana mathi hayi man unenkinga uvelelwe inkinga but I knew ukuthi bona bakhuluma ngani ama customers mabathi hayi man ngathi umuntu omdala so it's because now I'm ready ukukhulisa lo muntu okimi okay kundlule lokusha then after work same day ngihambe ngila ngiconsult ekhona bathi lelandi you know what labantu bese bakususa ngithi wena so la postpone and ubanjwe ukuthi uthenga izinto ufuna ukuthi iroom libe right uphelele ube ne furniture so bebabona ukuthi lento ekudelay ukuthi uyothwasa it was March still lelanda ngithi unenkani ngithi okay hayi manje sengiyolungisa bese nginamabhayi ay16 already remember I told mabhayi bengimela aphumele already sengu initiation
man ngicela ungashida ngidokutela mina ama question ami bayakutshela la uyabona umuntu ongeva nginokukhomba kuma nemuntu ongeva emhlabeni uya ku-consulta bayakuchazela ukuthi wena ubanjelelwe ukuthi ubhizi lendlini.
Yes.
Bayakutshela
Yes.
uthi wena wente njani. Ngicela nive manje alo rewind ungazi ukushaya ukuthi uyobuyela kule episode. Wente njani babaceda ukukutshela la?
Ukuthi ngibanjelele lo
Yeah. Ngicela nive
lokuthi kushe
Yeah.
because ngiyazibambezela ukuthi
Yeah.
kumele ngiyo-initiate. Ngahlala futhi. It was March. Ngahlala futhi. Kuthi you know what angithi bese bangikhiphelile kusha lamabhayi lawo bathi vele umlilo ucale kulamabhayi but mina because bengilele bangivusela ukuthi mabhayi sewashile phela naloku ama candles bebangikhombisa kona besola ngiprepare ngaze ngathenga nebasket kulelando stylish ngithi ngathenga nebasket futhi lamabhayi bengiwafolda kamnandi kanti ukuthi nabangikhiphela bekumele ngabe sengiku initiation already kumele aphume sengisekuthwaseni but mina because bangikhombisa ngithi ngiyathenga ngiyabeka ngazi ukuthi ngenzani ngawo ngiyathenga azangichaze most decoration yakhona maningi angikwazi nokuthi achaze ukuthini angibuzi umuntu then nje ukuthi kwaqala ukusha lapho ukuthi bekumele ngabe ngawubona lo mlilo makusha lapha for a sign ukuthi this is the cause so mina ngiblame lo mntwana abantu loya oshinyawo ngithi mhlambe wenze something ukuze kushe forgetting ukuthi icala ukusha iframe yomnyango kami then mase ngiyo consulta after naleleki ngihambe ngigcokile bafika ngitshela lelanda awuzwa awuzwa wena bese bakukhipha ekhaya ngoba solo uya postpone ukuthi hamba uthwasa sebakukhombisile la uyothwasa khona impahla ozigcokako sebakunikezile ene uyazithenga but uyazibeka lezi zinto ziyakhulunyiswa uyazibika ukuthi nasi sengizithekele ngicane ngikhombisa ukuthi kwenzakalani mina ngiyathenga ifashion ngize ngifakena ku picnic basket kuhle kuyabukeka so now they are showing you ukuthi it's time it was March ngahlala ngaze ngayothwasa mina ngoJune
ngizoyibuta ngendlela ngifuna ukuyibuta ngayo. Ngifuna ukubuta ukuthi unani yini ngiyakho bakukhombile ube ngigobela ngesimo ukuthi bosogula nokuthi ube ngigobela ukuthi bozoshaya uye emsebenzini uyagula. Ngiyacabanga isayini yoyani ukukhomba ukuthi ufuna uyothwasa lokhu. Bakhomba ngeti impahla lokufuna ukuthenga umuntu kude lo hamba uthenga emahiya nje la nabanye bangamani bawathengise but banikhomba njengoba usho. Lokusha ukubone ucale bakhomba mhlambe angathi don't correct ama wrong bakhomba nge-national shutdown ngani shutdown isatowuta lapha endlini lokusha ukubone kusengashi wena
there was something remember I had a voice vuka mina I'm sleeping noma ngivuka there was nothing
so ngi3 loyo ukugulisa kwasemsebenzini ukukhombisa kwetimpahla then ngile voice ne Leka ngicatha amandla khona ukunetha impahla ukukhumbule ukuthi kunetha impahla lekathi kheste ukuthi leti ngifuna tiyosha uhamba we DJ la ngale makazuka endlini yami ukuthi leti
mayokhumbula ticathulo
icathulo wathi leti ngifuna tisha makusuka onke lama signs lawa akasho lutho wena naleli film lebakhuluma ngalo usubhizi ubukela amafilimu nanani besolodlala ubukele leli film bantu babukela indlu yakhe iyasha uzubona ukuthi kungakhulunywa ngemuntu lophile kahle ngibe bathi uyagula ukukhomba ukuthi uyagula umuntu lophilile watile ukuthi kunemali yami lenyawo lela ngeke le mali lelapha uyayifuna so ngifuna kuva ukuthi ene kungendeka kunemntwana la so bamnikile onke ama signs ukuthi angadvocate bantu ukuthi bayothwasa mina but ngisho ukuthi so ubukene nalesimo lesi ukuthi bamkhombile onke lama signs buka kuwe bekunganasidingo sokuthi kuze kushe
yes
yabo
yes ngiyo
yini lekwende usime lesikhathi esingaka
ngicabangele lelandi icala remember bengakha so ngifuna ukuthi lelandi makayothwasa kube socedile lokwakhe ngacabangela mina ngiyi1 so kahle kahle njengoba ngiunderstand ukuthi mina as a different person angitiphileli mina there are those spirits of healing like bantu bayagula so I think bese ready ukuthi ngicale ngisebenze but mina I'm delaying lento le ekumele ngibe yiyo so yes bebangasangibekezeleli because it's time so mina benginaloko ukuthi no it's ngiqale ngami kahle kahle was selfish it's ngicale ngami ngenzela ngifuna ukwenza ngeke ngizwe ngama visions ngeke ngizwe nga anything else ngifuna ukwenza lokho kuqala mina
kunento loyivetile bomikisa bhuti wakho baveta ukuthi kahle kahle wena la lo muntu usukhaphena ukhaphe wena la ukuthi bowati before ngetinto taka spiritual lokwende ungafuni kuphikisa kangako net yes bongati lo muntu ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe mangabe bohlulesi botovuma mabasivelela ufuna uyothwasa bongafuna nokubuta mhlambe ubatshele ekhaya kini
no
Yeah.
bengeke ngize ngale vele. I think it goes back to indlela lengikhule ngayo to obey izinto ezenzakalayo, like uku-accepta into as it comes. Nangabe iyafeyila bezozifeyilela, but nje angiziboni njengomuntu bekazowala. Vele bengizo-accepta and learn ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngijabule indzaba yokuveta kwaGobela kwaVumbelo lo bekufuna uye kuye uthi bekayimanager tukwe poetry yakho.
Yes.
Uqale wasesha. Bongana idea ukuthi wena mhlambe unato lethiwe leti nokuthi uthwasise abantu lokho bonga kwade.
Yes.
Then lenzaba ukuthi ufuna ushaya iGoogle umgooglishe ukuthatha bona ukuthi ufuna uqale useshe ukuthi vele uyathwasisa lo muntu lona unako.
No, angizange ngimseshe. Ngathi mangibuyela, remember mangiyoconsulta mina ngahlolwa amathwasane akhe.
Yeah.
So makavela in my visions ngiyayiphikisa lento le until mase ngibuyela ngiyoconsulta futhi ngathola yena angizange sing. Then now it makes sense. Yena azange angitshele or afike kithi if naye bekayithatha as a fashion I would know from the get go ukuthi my manager inyanga and every but manager yami is a voice over artist, is a comedian, bengibona lokho phela until ngizoyenda umbeni then ngimthole sekanje.
Kunenzaba lebalekile angathi ukuthi ngifuna kuva ukuthi nayo ngayi-add kulama science la khombini. Yeah, lokho sigcine emafilmini. Thina mina ngicabanga kambe bathini ma Dragon Ball Z ukuthi ubone umuntu atshintsha aba super saiyan. Le story ubantu ukuthi bakubone boso utshintsha.
Yes, abantu bebangibona ngalendlela bangibona ngakhona, but it takes only a spiritual person to understand ukuthi babona ini. Mina lento le ngayibona because ngakwathi nakusha ngasebenza futhi for another year before bangikhiphe emsebenzini. Umuntu lothanda kufaka i-eyeliner, lipstick. Sometimes ngiyayifaka i-eyeliner ngiphikise. Ngizibone nami ngimubi that day until I understood ukuthi umuntu ohamba phambili kulabantu laba abangembethe indoda.
Yeah.
So sometimes nasho uthi unokusho ukuthi namuhla ungangifaki lipstick.
Yeah.
So that day shothi bebabona lo muntu lo omdala. Yes.
Ngifuna lo muntu omubi.
Yebo uzoba mubi because mina I'm female angithi. So bona mababona le ndoda vele izoba njalo but they couldn't say umubi. So bebaba namhla ngathi yeah.
Yeah, no bebamsapha. Okay. Avelile onke ama science bayakutshela lapha. Ngapha ma steps lo wathethe mangabe ngendeka na washelwa imali njenga lo bhuti ngala siqale wayithola imali yakhe lo washela nyawo
no beseyishile like everything was rubble to the point ukuthi the next morning even the spring sempede besingekho
uthi bobuyela emsebenzini.
Yes.
Then ubese wenda njani after kuze kutholakale so uyongena ephehlweni?
Ngasebenza as usual because I already knew before the fire ukuthi kahle kahle ngimelwe yini. So ngasebenza I was still relaxed. Bese ngisebenzela ukuthi at least ithi ngirecover ngithola izimpahla into engizokhona ukuphila ngayo. But first things first ngithengele ingubo lezi ezishile. Manje angisafuna ukuthi kwenzeke kubi manje sengifocusile sengilungisele ukuyongena. Thenga le ngubo remember sezi 16 already. Ngicala phansi ngiyazithenga ngiyalungisa then June ngabuya ngapha ekhaya because gogo bese kashonile sengiyabika because ngeke ngihambe ngiye ekuthwaseni ngapha ugogo angazi sengiyabika gogo le ndlela lo angikhomba yona sesekhona sengicalile imandlela yami ngitholile sengephehlweni ngabika then ngathi mangisuka la straight from here ngaya le ephehlweni ngafika ngangena.
Okay.
But bengisakhona ukuthi ngitravel ngemsebenzi njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina I'm like impande ngihamba kiyo isakuvumela ukuthi ukhona ukusebenza and cover since I'm a breadwinner nasekhaya. Ngicover izinto eziningi so ngikhona emsebenzini. Yes.
Ngijabule ukucover into eziningi nasekucaleni ma uintroduce into eziningi thwasa thina sathi bogogo la ujothwasa bogogo uba le prophecy uba le umthandazi.
Yes.
Stuff the bogogo vele. I think ku right to face. Mawe uthwaselani ngoba ngikaze ngeve bathi bathwasela kuthandaza bathwasela prophet uthwasela kuba
ukuthwasa kahle most singasho ukuthi ngilaba abagidako yabo laba abagidako since umuntu uzokutshela ukuthi igedla lithwasa igedla umuthi bayafika bamkhomba ukuthi umuthi oso umuthi wanwana mina the way ngiyakhona bese bangikhulisela kulophi nyanga kahle ifana neacademy uthi manje soziphatha so remember mangizoziforce ukuthi ngizenzela konke khona la ngizomista khona so kumele kube nesikolo labantu khombisa manje soziphatha so manje kunje nje nemithetho imithi nemithetho eminingi bangifundisa nani namathambo. Yes.
Le part lebalulekile uyayishiya mani le yasekhotho ungabona labameli ukuthi bathini nge-English kusentosi uyangifundisa nokubhala mara
Oh,
ya shuthi abanifundisi lokho khona lebe u-expectile ma uya lapha njengoba sithi mhlambe siyibekise kahle mase esikolweni nani siyathi thina masiphuma trip ukuthi si-expecteni ma-Ray nebumnanzi so ephehlweni yalo khona lebe u-expectile khona lebe ukulenzela
no.
mm.
Mina ezilelandi kahle kahle kusho ukuthi sengi-unconscious njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ezinye izinto nginokuzithatha ukuthi akwenzeke lokho ekumele kwenzeke.
Yeah.
Yes, ama-expectations I know ukuthi ababuhlungu ekuhambeni nesikhathi. So yonke into leyo it was new. Remember ngikhula lana angazi ngendaba zezangoma. I'm not exposed. Maybe kube bengikhulele under lokho bengizothi hayi phela u-aunt wami bekenza so bese ngiya-expect. Lapha ngiye ngingazi next vele ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Okay nyalo so yadi uwatini kenyana angifuni ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha yini lebe ungayadi before lo so uyadi nyalo lo ngasho ukuthi okay sengichinjile I know this mhlambe lokunye ngabe ngende better before
Uyabona lokugceka lendlela le mawungaphandle kwayo uyithatha ngenye indlela because of i-public akusinjalo totally so ngifunda okuningi but mostly i-discipline nokuzigcina yes ngisho ukuthi that's the most thing engiyithethe la nokuthi ungafuni ukuphikisana nomuntu ongazi kufana nokulwa bathi ulwa nengulube nilwela edakeni umuntu ongcolayo wekhozi yona iyajabula yes so ungaphikisana nomuntu onganalwazi ngalendlela le ufuna ukuthi aza understand because ubungoma is sacred kunezimfihlo kiyo so mangizophikisana nazogcina ngikhipha nemfihlo zasephehlweni or lento abangiphathise yona ngiphathisiwe mina manginje so ngeke ngifike kuwe ngithi prince phela kunomuntu owenza so yazi ugubha so then bengithwaselana uyayibona
ya neschool fees sibhadala ngowedwana nalendlishele wena ethi ufuna usita lo mntwana ebantu lapha lo mfaka enkingeni usebe uphilela lelandi lesikhathi wakha ngeta indlu uthenga nemali laptop vele uyabona ukuthi izinto zakho angase ngive bathi bogogo bafuna i-laptop mina bogogo bafuna amathamba. So what's the difference now ngoba uthi wena khona nalo kufunzile ngende kanyalo awusaqalisi wena phambili
manje sengikhulile lokuthi ngiyakhona lokuhlukanisa ukuthi now isikhathi salelandi now isikhathi sadiliza
yeah uyayijabulela le journey lokuthi kumbe
acceptile and it's part of me like into makungeyakho ngeyakho
yeah
njengoba ungiprince ungaba nosizi but you are still proud of being prince so yes leland is part of udiliza and there's nothing I can do impilo yami right futhi my so angiboni futhi ukuthi ngingaphinde ngibe ngomunye umuntu I was destined ukuba so
umveli nenda uke bathi ungaba ngiprince ngathi ngiphiwe igama la le lenzawo leya ngale angilifuni bangabona nje ngigcoketile bathi kusentomake lo okay now angathi uyafuna ukushare i-part yakho ya legend yasephehlweni
yes
okay iya ungasixoxela
okay so ephehlweni ngathola abantu bese babadala kimi like they knew everything so mina bekungimi lo brand new
yeah
so ngaba lucky ukuthi ngithola abantu aba open hearted abekho ku competition so ngafunda into eziningi and nomona azange ube khona because remember mina ngene bese kumele ngabe kudala ngangena so izinto zami bezihamba faster than ngithola abantu sabanabo 2 years balapha but kwathiwa ngiyodla nabo intwaso yebo so ngazama ukuyiphikisa lento le ukuthi why so ngathola ukuthi nogobela wami umuntu uyaphila kusilabo gobela because bakhona vele sinokubezwa futhi bakhuluma ngabo labo ukuthi yonke ngendluzulu abantwana masebala kumele bangisebenzele gobela wami umuntu okhona ukunderstanda even ne situation abheke nasekhaya okhona ukalawa nezinto ukuthi uqhubeka uzenze impilo yakho ingemi do what you must ukuze ukhona ukuphetha la yebo so ngangena ke phehlweni njalo bangilinda until ebusuku remember ngithi bengisuka la so long ngiyeza kwakhona ukuthi kwabanethwasana elingilindile if it was someone else bekayothi why thina safika sabukela ngigobela naye uzawuvuka ugobela amenzele ngafika ebusuku mina around 10 kwakhona ukuthi angamkele athathe nesikhathi sakhe lapho ukuthi umthetho wala kunje and they understood ukuthi mina I'm not exposed to izinto zomoya lobungoma so they took me step by step yes ugobela wami bekumsebenzi wakhe but what made it easier ukuthi nalabantwana engibathola abantwana basekhaya they were accommodating bangifundisa noma ugobela ngekho bangitshela ukuthi into esona so siyenza so into esona so siyenza so so indlela yami vele as much as yaba nobunzima bayo but ubunzima bayo ngiyabonga because bengeke ngibe strong the way ngistrong ngakhona so lobunzima lo everything happens for a reason bekumele so ukuthwasa ngikubonga kakhulu ngaloko because now ngikulelandile ukuthi if I'm going through something nginokuvuka ebusuku ngibe nalento yosizi ukuthi ngathi ngakhala angiyiblock I don't look for something to make me happy. I cry noma kungazuthi ngikhalelana because if it's isikhathi sokuthi something must happen then let it happen.
Yeah.
Then afterwards you're gonna know ukuthi kunjani. So ngathwasa 1 year 6 months. Ngagcina sengisele ngedwa athi labe bavele bafikile bahamba bangishiya. So most of the time vele ngathwasa ngi1. Yes.
No, ubakuthume wedwana lapha ukunathwasa nabubana. Sende so ephethweni kuyafana na tertiary ngiyabuda ngendlela ngisho ngayo but sinema cause la ngafana. O ngesiphoqule ngethi indlela efana kuna kuphume so wedwana la awusengilomlokitha kwangini so kukhona ukuthi sihlukahlukene singaya kugobela loyi1 but akufuni siphume ngendlela lefana
yes njengakithi njengoba ngisho ukuthi kunebathandazi nebaprofit abanye bangena ngesonto ukuthi we go back cause lento le as much as yenziwa ngithi akusinge yethu ngithi sibuyela kulabantu abadala so asikhuliswa ngayifamily A1 yebo sinabo lobuthandazi but lo umkhulu wakho uriko kwakho bekathandaza njani bekayihambisa njani lento le so yes besikhona lapha khona okufanayo slightly okunye kufane exactly kufana nalezi ngubo lezi sinazo sonke but sekuthwaseni azifani umuntu nomuntu uvelelwa ngokwakhe uvelelwa ngokwakhe siye lapha siyofunda lokho kumele sikufunde abanye kwabo ku different same as masiye ekhaya uthola lapha sekwenziwa ku difference because asifani asizalwa umuntu oyi1 so yes besihlukile nathi lapha.
Man khuluma noma masikhuluma sinokuveta ukuthi abantu abadala as a kid yeah noma bonke abantwana even ungafaka ku sports noku-inspire abantu laba different nyalo kunalento yema podcast most bantu banokusebenzisa ukuthi okay ba-inspire bo-Mekshi mara mawuthatha umuntu ofana nami lo se-radio nangala podcast maybe ngingambala ngithi Mekshi kule space soku-podcaster then e-radio ngizothi Big Z that's 2 maybe a-TV let's say pick up another television presenter. Sing 3. Ngive ubala 16 mahiya. Then ngive ubala nalet P. So nalakini kuba njalo ukuthi mhlambe efamilini kube kwabanalo longumprofeti. Angeke ngithi mina uinspire ke I don't know. Shothi uthunyelwe la kimi. Ukuthi lesiphiwo sakhe ngibe ngimprofeti then sekuba mhlambe nalo ongumfundisi. Tonke manginato tonke lethiwe njengokuthi balile tisuka kulabantu labala efamilini nakuleni nje.
Yes. In the spiritual world njengami ngibekise ngama ngithi ngisaphila I have to pass it on because umsebenzi lo ukwelapha so angeke ngithi ngoba ngihamba nayo lento le I have to share so in the spiritual world like nabathi uvela ufunjathi siwe or ngalobungoma wembethwe usuku umbethwe umoya walomuntu lo ukhethile wabona ukuthi lo lento leyo uzoyimela I had so many questions mina because ekhaya ngapha kubo babamba seSwatini kunabafana so kakhulu nangisho ukuthi njengo udiliza umkhulu ubhubeze emhlophe ugogo so ngazibuza ukuthi indaba ngoba yena bekungumkhulu angangeni kulabafana but yena shothi ubese ubona inhliziyo nokuthi umuntu angamelana naloku na so bese bakuphika kanjalo ukuthi uzoba right
so ungakwadi bo right kuzona ushedwe indlu
I didn't know yes
so now you still on a journey usachubeka ngifuna kuva kuyaphela lokho because nyalo ngiyacabanga lohambe embili ngidiliza kuyaphela lokho or you still on a journey kusafuna simangale ukuthi ungafika nabo 16 tiphiwe nje ubale 16 mahi
iziphiwo zona aziningi because sifunda ngendlela yebo ngithwasile but mina ngithanda ukuzibona njengomuntu osathwasa yes because noma ngabe usephehlweni impilo icala masose ekhaya ngisakhula ngisaphambili kusasa ungangithola sengenye indlela njengoba ngisho ukuthi ezinye izinto zisecret ungibona nginje it's because this is appropriate for here podcast. Bengeke ngigcoke lezi ezinye impahla zabo njengoba ngisho ukuthandazi. I do have amajazi but anemithetho yakhona. Ngelinye ilanga uzohlangana nami ngizifakele ispeaker sakagogo. But ugogo makazothi ngithi awuyi nje ngeke uthole umuntu ohamba ngespeaker edrobheni. Yes, because iyahlonishwa lezi zinto lezi. So yes kuningi noma uzofika nje la ngisebenzela khona unga expect ukuthi hayi ngoba vele usebenza ngamathamu uthola ngisebenza ngamanzi. So ibalekile lento lokuthi uyihloniphe ukuze ukwazi ukusiza umuntu, uzihloniphe nawe uzigcine. Uzomsiza kanjani nomunye umuntu wena mawuhambisa ifashion?
Okay, right. Sithashe indaba ye-fashion. Masitobe sigcokele thina ama-chain. I-chain engayigcoka nasemsebenzini la ngiyigcoka khona. Wena let's say uyasebenza senine nigcokelani lokhu kusuke kungulo muntu kumbe kusuke kuthi ni-protect or indlela yoku-highlight ukuthi no niyabahlonipha labantu. Ngifuna ukuthi noma usebenza ku let's say noma ngabe mhlambe ungithisher
Ku-workspace.
yeah.
Angeke ngize ngibakhulumele labo because ngishilo ngathi mina ngithe ngithwasa bengisebenza. Bengiphuma ekuthwaseni because ngihlonipha la ngithwasa khona ngithi kusedlozini. Ngizophuma ngigcokile lehiya ngaphandle ngigcoke iskinny jean ngilelandi emsebenzini ayikho lento le. Abantu laba basembethe abantu abadala imisindo nendawo esizihambako bona kusingokwabo goes back to la uthi wena esikoleni lento le bengangihluphi mangithi abantwana abomama mabangaba portray ukuthi benze lento le ukuthi umntwana sekufuna afake le hiya akabi right bangafanga hi idlozi bekuwumuntu remember uyamkhulumisa uya respond so mangiphuma mina ngiyaguca ngisho ngithi bogogo nabomkhulu niyangazi ngiyasebenza ngisebenzela lokhu nalokhu ngizohamba manje ngemsebenzini ibali nami ningivikeleni kodwa lokhu kuyasala angithi ngingilelandi mina nje mangihamba endleleni ngeke uzongibona ngeke umane ungiphike nje unless you are spiritually gifted ukuthi udombona lelandi ukuthi nangu yebo labanye babamba lama sign lawo yes but
ne-manager yakho awuzange wayibona
njengoba ngingayiboni it's because maso uphuma le awukho edlozini ungumuntu yes bambethe la kuwe bakukhethile but at the end of the day umuntu going back why ngithi ngikhula ngingilelandi ngingaboni masangoma because lento bebayihlonipha back in the days bonke kubathola even nasedrobheni uthe bagcokile njengoba bobalile lokhu umadumane ukuthi bahamba nangake endleleni back in the days why isibengekho yebo it goes back to that good no mase ngilela nangu ngiyalo ngifake nails I was out with my friends if bekungilendo yokuthi kumele ngihlale nginje ngabe mhlambe sengwajubile because I can't communicate ayikho yonke lento le mabase bangafundi there will be signs bazongitshela ukuthi mntana manje sekright hlonipha idlozi ukuze likwazi ukukhuluma nawe likufikele nawe ukhona ukwenza izinto ezi-right
uyalifuna ma-nails idlozi uyalibona ukuthi njani angifuni isi-advertise la ukuthi usebenza ngani or wendani ngile ngingafuni sokwenda ngiyacabanga umuntu makatothi ngalisethi ukuthi awe kudokotela yena
enjalo
yeah so la asikavuli iclinic bantu labasha one bantu labaningi bakuletindo takubo social media khona la ufundisa khona ngaletindo leti or just bewuthi ukuthi sitococa nawe la abangoni mase bakutshelile abantu labazala nawe tawuba nesikhathi ukuthi okay you willing to share or vele umuntu makacondzane nawe kutawufuna ete ku
going back to indlela sekungayo nyalo ukuthi bantu sebasebenza kakhulu ku social media it goes back to ubusecret balento le esiphathiswe yona uma sengizoyifaka ku social media mina personally angihambelani nayo mawungathi yabheka manje bathi ama 2K ayaloyana ama 2K athumelana ngezicitho it's our fault thina sibiziwe because kube bengekho lento ukuthi lento sesifaka social media ukuthi sengivela nomuntu so ngoba mina ngiyawazi ngiwaze laphi mina angithi bangifundise la bengikhulela khona or bakithi bafike bangitshela why bakithi bangaveli babhala ibhodi batshela umhlaba wonke ukuthi kunje it's because bonga handlishwa nguwe ngenhlonipho lo muthi lo but mase ngizoya ku social media ngithi yabona lo muthi lo lona ungawenza so ushaya umuntu ngawo kunomuntu ongasinyanga oyothatha ngoba unesitha akakwazi ukuhlonipha alimaza omunye umuntu same as lento ukuthi ngithi ku social media yazi mina ngichaza amaphupho abantu bayabhala ku comment section thina njengabelaphi siphethe impilo zabantu and thina kwethu ku spiritual sinomona singabantu ngakujelasela mina bese siyohlangana ku post yaka Leland ngeke ngithi post yaka Diliza akayazi technology yes so ngiyovela ezuleni noma ngalichange igama lami ngithi Diliza akusingidiliza lo yangileland ngithi ngichaza amaphupho bhala iphupho lakho ngichazele ufike ulibhala iphupho lakho avele-ke omunye ongazwani nawe angene lapha naye athi obhala lakhe iphupho athole wena ubhala iphupho lakho lenhlanhla mina ngilichazile ku-comment ukuthi no wena kunento enhle ezayo kuwe. I'm not against abantu abachazako, but let's take it back to siphethe impilo zabantu.
Okay.
Let's protect abantu. Bona laba basengambulelwanga angithi wena mawuzofuna iphupho lakho awukho spiritually uyabo wena ufuna ukwazi ukuthi hayi man wayengiphupha into so usengambulelwa spiritual ukuthi lento le is sacred kangakanani. Abantu bayingozi la ngaphandle because mayofika ngithi seyipost senbaningi niyapost ufika wena uthi hayi ngiphupha into so iphupho lenhlanhla ngiyakhomenta mina and or ngistitcha le video TikTok hayi iphupho lenhlanhla there's something that's coming your way. Uyabona omunye ukuthi hayi man uPrince Mosi kunento enhle yenza why ethi ngeka mhlaba uyalingana unanga umuntu so igama lakhe uPrince asimenze so ngiyabuya ngiposte ngipost maybe after 3 weeks woza kuchazela amaphupho kubuya the same Prince ngiphupha iphupho so ngithi hayi Mosi ibhadi le why goes back ukuthi why lo muntu angeke ngisabona ngithi ukuthi yilo Prince lo abantu sebaningi abakhomenta kuso angikhona ukubona but mawusendumbeni umuntu iface ayijwayele kuyilo umuntu ngezinhlanhla so makabuya sikhuluma indaba zamakabuya how Prince ubuyile futhi but ku social media ubamba ama faces abantu baningi kakhulu so ngeke ngisabona ukuthi it's the same person 2 weeks back bekathi inhlanhla zakhe ngathi inhlanhla zakhe ziyavuleka kathathe inanana so manje zivalwe yini I can't go back to that so kubalekile ukuthi bese mfihlakalweni khona ukuthi hayi mani kuphazamisekile because we are consulting we're having a conversation ku social media we can have a conversation.
Before we wrap ngendo lucetha kuyithasha la njabula ukuthi I link up back to into lekuvelele uthi wena lo lapha ku social media noma ngaba change ligama lami le Taishi akusuye Diliza ngilelandi.
Yes.
That's one. Le bebamshisela room ngilelandi ngoba akafuni kulalela.
Akafuni ukukhulisa Diliza phela lo.
So uyabona ukuthi okay lelandi ngilophila la emhlabeni lophila la ku social media. Lebe afuna ukufaka i-lipstick but bekayifaka Diliza wakwazi
Diliza unokuvela now that sengikhulile unokuvela vele sometimes ngithi ngivuka ekseni nami ngizibona uyabona mhla ngimube so now I understand because sengikhulile makuvela omunye because njengoba ubone iziphiwo zami eziningi angibathwanga umuntu oyi-1 bakhona bayasebenza bahlukile baneyinkathi zabo so now I can differentiate because sengikhulile sometimes bothi ngithi nginamamothi samhla ngifuna abantu it's because loyo muntu loyo bekangasi umuntu bekathanda maybe umgroove uthola mabapostile lapho umuntu akavuka idlozi emgrooveni umthetho lo esiutshelwayo masikhuliswe edlozini ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso you're not supposed to be there kumele ube sekhaya because labantu abadala bakufuna usekhaya umthetho wasekhaya then thina ngenkana ngithi siyagroova nani then now it's clocking ukuthi lo muntu lo kumele ngabe sekhaya sesibhizi sigucile lapha ethathani lo muntu nimbuyisele ekhaya uzoba right abazi nabo.
Okay, how do you separate the two singayicala before let's say bosengathwasa but usasemncane ngikuseparate kanjani ngijabula ukuthi umention le part yemamuzi nathi phela sinedinkinga nje general then useparate kanjani ukuthi okay lokhu ngilabantu abazali labangakufuni lokhu ungayicala before masengathwasa kumbe lapho awadi vele.
Before I didn't know mina bengithatha ukuthi le landing umuntu lonjalo vele ukuthi nginesikhathi mina ngiyakhona ukuhlala ne crowd abantu ngithule edu but I'm reading even the energy yemuntu but you know maybe I have friends even those bonana sometimes introduce komunye umuntu ngizwe ukuthi lo muntu angimzwisisi okay labale ngiclose nabo ngiyakhona kubatshela uthi lo mngane wakhe angimtholisisa kangenzanga next abo next but angimtholisisi nje kunento engayithola uyobuya yena lo mngane athi phela umuntu wenze sona so ngithi shuthi that's why so mase ngikhulile lozi sengikhona ukunderstand ukuthi there's something wrong. But I can't always tell because kuyenzeka angifeel because of something around yena it's not ukuthi yena unjalo but siyahamba manje sithola izinto la emizini then nasekhaya la sikhona khona uyaphazamiseka then iora yakho ivele ibe mnyama.
Ngitibutela mina ungasabi kungitshela ngitibutela mina lo uyamvisisa lo
anginankinga naye anginankinga naye.
Okay, khona mhlambe lo ungafuna sivale ngako lo ungafuna kusho?
No. Ngicabanga ukuthi ku enough singaze sikhulume naloko kungafuneki unless khona lofuna ngikusho. Yes.
Mnakethu ungasabi lutho la. Khona mhlambe lesi kushiyile. Right. No. Siyabonga ukuthi ubuye usisherela le story sakho la. Asibaningi vele la sikhula khona ukuthi kunemele ngimangalisile cishe emadloti ngiwo lesiwajwayele akhona la ngoba netigubhu nokukhala but letinye yenza ukuthi ngasikhathi ungakhula la gcwele emasiko khona kude bafundisi. Indzaba yasethaveni mhlambe besingathi sinele ngikwati ukuthi vele nesibogogo nganatha tshwala bayavuka. Ngithola labanye ngeke basashela indlu la so kuningi.
Angeke sazi.
Yabo sesitoward nyalo ukuthi masibona umuntu atshintsha ikhala ngike
ungabasukeli bengikhulumela mina ngabe sesosukela abantu abagulako bese thamba othwasa.
yabo abantu bafake marushi la marushi angabafuna ngingathanda nawo mangabe khona lokufunzile usho ukuthi ufunzeni la kule episode la ku comment section because ngiyathemba kunye into lokufunzile nami nje kunye lengifunzile la lento ukuthi umuntu uyatshintsha ngihlale ngiyiva ngathi usengayiva mina kethu ukuthi base umuntu uyatshintsha.
Angatshintsha mama.
Oh okay. Angisho umuntu uzakhombe ama true colors akhe ngisho ukuthi umuntu basivele uchintshile yamos ba spiritual.
Yes nekuthi umuntu abe mubi. Yes. Ukhulumela wena. Uyatshintsha naye ne.
Thank you so much for ukubukela Abangoni. Igama lami Prince Veli. You still doing poetry?
Yes.
Bangakulandzela lapho ku poetry.
For now.
Yeah.
It's Facebook.
Yeah.
It's Lelandi the Poetry Victim. Actually, everywhere they can just search Lelandi the Poetry Victim.
Ngibonile kune event attended but
yes.
Bantu abakulandzele kimi ngicela la ama comment section kusho ukuthi ufunzeni la subscribe ku channel ye Prince Veli Media. Uma uthandzile le video press a like. Uma ungafuni uncisha abantu lwathi ungashare. Siyabonga.
Hey.